Oh, they only have 2.
Yeah. Okay, this is the SpringHill Suites wing of the building.
I'll get it. It'll be easier. Oh, it's easier. Oh, wow. Up we go.
These things aren't that different.
This is a cool hotel. I like how they have it split up. Oh, nice beep. Okay. If you want to go to floor 14, you must close the door first.
And if you want to go to 11, then
You have to go down at all times.
yeah.
Or if you rotate it sideways, up, left, right, you name it. Wow, this thing makes a lot of lovely noises.
This one it talks. Listen.
415.
I'm just going to take a quick look. That's windy.
Very faint chime.
Pretty nice looking hotel.
Yeah.
And then we'll head back to the garage, I think.
Look at this door open there.
Don't press it. It'll be like, I want to open.
Mm-hmm. 3,500 pound capacity.
It's a very nice large cab for a center opening elevator.
Oh, yes.
And we'll end it in the elevator again. Button goes out. Now, and that's it.
4-1.
Let me get the door.
One.
Thanks.
That voice is pretty rare.
It is.